Okay, good morning guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic, and this is Sergey, this is Dan.
Hello.
Yeah, and we come back to work with Lamborghini Gallardo 2008 Roadster, Spider, and this car already drivable, doesn't have any problem, and a mechanical problem, only like small problem with electrical, like I have to change radio and what else? Radio and cup. Oh, and seats. Seats. What they call?
Motors, right?
Not motors. Switches. Seat switches. I just replaced the door ECUs, and everything works fine. I already replaced so many ECUs on the car, like roof ECU. Yeah.
All these computers. All the computers are bad. Like
Oh, we still have to buy this thing.
Oh yeah.
A controller. Look at this. It's so dirty.
It doesn't look good. This is all the bad stuff.
Yeah.
And look inside. Bichok, he switched. He dried off all the carpets that were like wet, and there was like sponges underneath the carpets that were like soaked in water. And all the seats are nice from the leather.
He's lying. Not Vityok. He cleaned it up, this car.
I said Bichok cleaned it up.
You said Vityok cleaned it up.
Yeah, Bichok did clean it up.
You cleaned it up, dude.
I didn't clean it
I
up.
remember. Yes, you cleaned it up.
Bichok did it.
Yeah, Vityok put
I
it
don't
back.
ever clean
Vityok
it up.
put it back
Do I
together.
get
So
paid?
yeah.
Do I get paid for cleaning?
Yeah, you gonna work for me for free, man.
$3.99.
Forever. No, doesn't matter who cleaned it up.
Okay.
Yeah, but car is drivable, is cool, and right now we have problem. This car lift have suspension lift. I take it off the trunk, front trunk top. It's right here, and check inside, doesn't have. And one guy told me it's in the back rear wheel.
Somewhere in here.
Yeah, somewhere here. The pump. I'm gonna take a look right now. What's going on? I find that the pump is over here, suspension lift pump, and for some reason this pump working only one way, only up. But
One side?
Yeah, one side, but not one side, both sides, but that doesn't go down for some reason.
Oh, it just lifts up really
Yeah,
high?
I'm gonna check. Maybe water has been here, because it's so low and water been here. You can see it's dirty. So I'm gonna check it out. What is going on here? I'm gonna clean it, the connectors right now. I'm gonna clean it, put it back, and we'll see if it's gonna work or not. Solenoid going up and down. So we'll see right now. If it's not gonna work, we have to replace it. The whole pump. We'll see. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. That's the electrical cleaner. 1 second.
So you think the whole thing was underwater?
Yeah, right here is water bin. It's been water right here. It's been because pump is so low, but I don't know how it's working. It's still working. Pump it works fine, but solenoid doesn't work. One of them. So one of them putting car down. One of them lift the car. So I'm gonna check. One side doesn't work.
And you think you can fix it?
I think I can. We'll see right now. Oh yeah. Did you see? It say down, up, down.
Oh.
So that's the solenoid. One of them going up, one of them going down.
You're gonna see if it goes up and down?
Yeah. Okay, where's the key?
It doesn't work yet?
I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna put in the straight power, straight to solenoid, and check if they clicking, then it's working. 1 second. Okay.
You're just gonna give straight power to the solenoids?
Yes. We'll see. Okay, it's working. It's working 100%. Another side.
Oh, you hear that?
Oh, I just lowered it.
You just lowered it?
Yes, so pump works fine, 100%. That's a good thing because I think it's like 1500 maybe pump costs, maybe two grand. I have to check the fuses and the relay. So that one is down. Which one down? Up. Okay, white one is going up. Okay, we're gonna double check. And that one is down. 1 second. Okay.
Perfect.
Let me check if it works again. 1 second. Okay.
You got it to work.
No, I think I find the problem. Okay. I think maybe it's button. Button only works one way, so pump works fine. Going up and down is everything fine. Cylinder is fine. I think it's a button or relay. So we're gonna close it here. So here is clean and fine. Okay, I just checked through the light and only one side working. Lift it up, but doesn't going down because relay or button doesn't work. So here is everything perfect. So that's
Good. Sergi saved $1,500.
I mean, I'm not saved, but I don't have to pay.
Yeah, that's good.
It's not saved.
I mean,
You're not giving me $1,500 extra, right?
do you want $1,500?
Okay, give me 1,500. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna check right now the transmission oil. I checked before, it's clean, but right now after I drive a little bit, I'm gonna double check if any water get in or not. So we'll see right now what happened. I hope not. I hope it's gonna be clean. Okay, I'm gonna wait. It's supposed to be leak a little bit. If it's like clean oil, it's great. If it's like shake, it's really bad. Okay,
Oh, there's oil.
cool, clean. That's great.
It's really good.
It's really good. Actually, it's really good. It's really good.
Yeah, Sergi's happy.
Transmission doesn't get any water, so I mean it's a big plus for me because I don't have to buy any more oils and refresh, and it's gonna take forever, you know. Transmission much harder than engine. Engine we already changed how many times? 6 times. We already put in new oil 6 times.
Just reflushing it, reflushing it.
Restarting, heat it up the car. Take it off the oil, put in new oil again and again. 6 times we already did, and we're gonna do 2 more times. Make sure it's super clean. Что говорить?
What is this?
Signals. I'm
What?
replace the signal. Doesn't work.
Signals or what is
Horn.
Horn? It's not a signal.
Horn. Signal.
Signal. Oh, signal is in Russian.
Yeah. No, replacing the signal.
Signals.
I mean,
Left and right signals.
Left and right signals. Yes. Right here.
Yeah. Yep, we're changing those. How's it smell? Garbage?
Those horns fits from Lamborghini Huracan. They put it, I think the same.
Oh, you think they're the same
Yeah,
part?
yeah, exactly same.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Sergi, I'm Dan. Probably next couple videos we got something really cool coming soon. We got amazing cars coming soon. He's very excited. Look at this guy.
Yes,
very excited.
Something cool coming.
Yeah, amazing. I'm very excited. We never even had this something like this good before.
Yes, not just one, 2 cars coming.
Ooh.
Something nice. So just take a look.
Makes him really happy. Really happy.
Yes, and thanks guys for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe.
Better subscribe.
I appreciate it.